Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I will show you how to verify account on Wise. So first up here, when you actually sign up your account, you need to make sure that you have the exact and complete information about your account. For example, you'll be asking you right here about your location. So as you can see, you need to enter your exact location or your a bank location right here. So this is very important. So to verify your account. So from here, as you can see, and then you have the verify your phone number. So you just need to put your phone number right here. So once you've done and log in your account, you'll find your dashboard. And then to verify your account, click on the profile name at the top right. And then you'll find settings. So click this one, and under your settings, you'll find email settings right here. So to verify your account, you must need to verify your email address. So you can receive a link and then you will have a email verified. And then you can go here and click on connected accounts. So you can actually add any apps and you can actually connect your bank account right here. So for example, if I want to connect my bank account, so click this one. And right here, I want to choose the bank location. So for example, I will choose here United States. And you need to connect by signing in or logging in your account on your bank account. So just click on this instant verification. And from here, Wise uses Play to connect your account. So yeah, so you can actually connect your bank account. And the second one, one of the important things to verify your account is your recipient. So if you want to add a recipient right here, so click on myself. And here you can actually set up your currency. So choose a currency that you're receiving and then your bank account name. So yeah, so if you add some recipients, you can actually receive, send, or pay money from Wise. So that's how you basically verify your account on Wise. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.